As of recently, a sketchy website named Fedstim.com has been blowing up on social media with a far-fetched claim that anyone can sign up for a possibility at $5,000 in government aid. This website appears to be an easy eligibility checker for forms of government aid. But in this Howard's How-To video, we will be breaking down the validity of their claims and exposing whether this site is legit or not. Let's dive right in. Quick disclaimer. This video is not intended to be direct advice to yourself or anyone, and you should always do your own research when making any financial decisions. At a quick glance and look through, Fedstim.com appears to be fairly legit, repping security badges, countdown timers, and even including fake statistics that individuals are checking their eligibility as of right now. The website even shoots the claim that everything is 256-bit SSL encrypted and secure. But this claim could easily be empty, and there is no actual way to prove this unless you attempted to monitor their traffic yourself. Looking at domain records for Fedstim.com, we can see that this domain name was linked to the site on October 31st of 2025, indicating sketchy activity and an unreliable background. Legitimate government websites never tell individuals to check if they qualify through a sketchy timer and external link. This is a common tactic utilized by information-grabbing sites to trick you into giving up personal information in belief you will benefit from it. Clearly, Fedstim.com is not the most reliable or safest website, and likely should be avoided and not filled with your personal information. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and tune back in to Howard's How-Tos for more informational videos just like this.